Hey guys, welcome back to SolidWorks practice model tutorial series. In this video, we are going to design the simple machine parts. You can see in your screen, this is the model that I'm going to design in this video. Here I'll be using SolidWorks selection contour feature to make the model faster. So let's open a part first. Click on the new, click on the part and just go for the OK. So you can see here the by default unit is millimeter gram second. So let's keep it like this only. I'll choose here top plane and go for the sketch. I'll start with the circle. So click on the circle and I'll draw here 3 concentric circles. Okay, now you see for the last one center got shifted, so I will select this and go for the merge. Now I need to give the dimension. Click on the dimension and give the dimension for this. So the outer one is having the diameter 116 and for the second one having the diameter which is 72 and the third one having the diameter which is 28, like this. Now I will create 2 more circles here. I'll be giving here the value which is 56. Now just give the dimension. Already I have defined the size. Now I'll be giving here this relation, this and this, having the relation which is horizontal, and I need to give here the dimension between these two center. I'll be giving the center value which is 88 and go for the line command and just take a line from here and just connect it up to here. In the same way I will start from here and I will just join it here. Now you can see your sketch is getting fully defined. I'll go for the trim command and I will trim this portion. I will trim this portion and just take a line. I will just connect this to. I'll use this for mirror purpose. Now I will take a horizontal line here which is like this. Just go for the trim tool here, click on this and this. I need to go for the dimension right now. Give the dimension here which is 56. Now once again you need to go for the mirror command. Click on the mirror. I want to mirror up this line and I want to go for the mirror about this and just go with the OK. Now you go with the trim and I'll trim this portion and I'll portion. So now you see here your sketch is getting ready. So come out from the sketch and you need to go for the extrude here. So first I will go for the extrude here. Here I will choose this as my selected contour and just delete this. I'll give the extruded height which is 24 mm. Just go with the OK. Now make the sketch visible because I want to use this. I want to reuse this sketch. Go for the extrude once again. Select the sketch from this drop down menu and from selection contour I will choose this and give the extruded height which is 62 mm and just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this, and if you want you can hide the sketch right now. Now select this here right plane and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane and just take a line here like this and join it anywhere in this edge and go for the dimension. Give an angle from here to here like this and I'll be giving the angle here which is 40 degree. Now you see here sketch is getting fully defined. Come out from the sketch and go for the command here called rev. Here I will give the value which is 56 like this and just go with the OK. Now you see here your model is looking like this. Now I will go for the mirror command once again. Rev is already selected. I need to choose your front plane and just go with this OK. So guys, you can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.